Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather, and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that came all the way from United Kingdom, and the brand is from Iron Heart. And I ordered this item directly from Iron Heart, United Kingdom, and have it sent as usual to my forwarder, which is the Johnny Air Cargo, which address is in Los Angeles, California, USA. And after 7 to 8 days since the time that I ordered this item, it arrived here in the Philippines, and I was able to get it from the Shumart or SM Mega Mall, wherein they have a branch or office of the Johnny Air Cargo. Actually, I ordered this item last month. I could barely remember which item, but I know this is a jeans. It is very heavy, and I think I got the last size for this item because it was selling like, hotcake, and in a matter of few hours or days, it was sold out. So we're going to unbox this item, and if you see a green bag, you are excited to open it, but for me, it took me another 1 month to wait before I could open this bag from Iron Heart. This is the brown bag from Iron Heart, and it says made for life by us, brought to life by you. So we're going to rip the top portion and bring out the item. Let's see if there is a... Oh, this is a sticker from their 634 cut, and this one. We'll bring out the item. Wow! This is my first time to order this kind of fabric. This is the 21/23 ounces, and the cut is 634. This is the straight cut from Iron Heart. 634 salvage UHR, and the size is 31. And I guess the actual size of this is 32 point something. And yeah, I think the price of this is almost $400. It is to be exact, $390. And if you convert that into Philippine peso, maybe you can multiply it by 62 pesos and 50 centavos. And that is the equivalent of 395 US dollars to peso. So this is the usual card that they sent you. And I have it hemmed to, I think, size 30, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, 32. They have me to 32 because this fabric will shrink. And there is another sticker. According to the instruction, once you soak it and agitate this, the waist will be reduced to 1 inch, However, after you use it, it will return to the size. However, again, the inseam will shrink to 2 inches. And that's the reason why I had it cut for, what is this, 30, 32. 32.5 actually. So, this one, the explanation for this is, this fabric is actually 21 ounces. However, once you soak this fabric, it will become heavier and it will become 23 ounces. It means that the fabric which will expand, okay, it will make it more dense and it will make it heavier. And that's the reason why this particular fabric is called 21/23 ounces. So this is their straight cut. Usually, I have it hemmed, very nice chain stitch, and I don't know if they, oh yeah, I asked them to send the extra cloth fabric to me, and this is the length that they removed from the inseam. Nice. Nice arcuate. And of course, all the tabs are here. Nice chain stitch. Nice leather patch. Very unique. And this will be a very nice entry for the Year 6 Indigo Invitational Denim Fake Competition. Nice. We'll try to remove the first button. So, as usual, you have 4 buttons in front, the selvage edge on the placket of the zipper portion, or I mean the opening in front. Self-edge, of course. Nice chain stitch. Nice arcuate on the bottom. Nice chain stitch. Nice self-edge, and chain stitch. So, since I know already my size in Ironheart, I'm sure this will fit me well. And in the next video or succeeding videos, I will feature to you how I will soak this item, and then we will compare before soaking and after soaking sizing of these pants. So just follow my YouTube channel and we will see the progress of this jeans, which is the UHR in 21/23 ounces in weight. With that, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.